नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटियाओं। फैकल्टी नेम एजुकेशन एंड मैथोलॉजी। आम JVN प्रोफेसर मंजू शर्मा। प्रोग्राम नेम एमेड। फर्स्ट सेम। कोर्स नेम मैथोलॉजी ऑफ एजुकेशनल रिसर्च। यूनिवर्सिटी नेम ज्योति विद्यापीठ Women's University. Welcome to all. Today I am discussion about educational research concept. What do you know about educational research? What are the meaning and definitions of educational research? What is the term of educational research? So we will be discussing about educational research concepts. Research in common parlance refers to a search for knowledge. One can also define research as a scientific and systematic search for pertinent information on a specific topic. In fact, research is an art of scientific investigation. Dictionary definition of research is a careful investigation or inquiry, especially through search for new facts in any branch of knowledge. Some people consider research as a movement from the known to the unknown. It is actually a voyage of discovery. We all possess the vital instinct of inquisitiveness. When the unknown confronts us, more and more our inquisitiveness makes a probe and attain understanding of the unknown. Unknown से known की ओर जाना। रिसर्च बार बार किसी चीज़ का इन्वेस्टिगेशन करना, खोजना, बार बार उसकी तह तक जाना कि नोन टू अननोन, अननोन टू नोन, ऐसे ये वाला प्रोसेस इसमें चलता है। मोर एंड मोर हर चीज़ का पता लगाया जाता है। द इनक्विजिटिवनेस इज द मदर ऑफ ऑल नॉलेज एंड द मेथड which one employs for obtaining the knowledge of whatever the unknown can be termed as research. Unknown term होता है, उस unknown term पे पूरी स्टडी की जाती है, that is research. Research is an academic activity and such the term should be used in a technical sense. According to Clifford Woody, research comprises defining and redefining problems, formulating hypotheses or suggested solutions, collecting, organizing and evaluating data, making deductions and reaching conclusions, and at last carefully testing the conclusions to determine whether they fit the formulating hypothesis. Research process is statement of problem after justification the hypothesis, formulating the hypothesis. According to Clifford Woody कि डिफाइनिंग और रीडिफाइनिंग प्रॉब्लम को सूट आउट करते हुए, आगे ले जाते हुए, उन पे इन्वेस्टिगेशन करते हुए, फॉर्मुलेटिंग हाइपोथेसिस और सजेस्टेड सॉल्यूशंस दिए जाते हैं थ्रू टू रिसर्च. नेक्स्ट टू डेफिनेशन डॉक्टर सिलेंसिंगर एंड एम स्टीफेंसन in the Encyclopedia of Social Sciences define research as the manipulation of things, concepts or symbols for the purpose of generalizing to extend, correct and verify knowledge rather than knowledge aids in construction of theory or in the practice of an art. कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ थ्योरी, कैसे थ्योरी का कंस्ट्रक्शन करना है वो एक स्कॉलर का, रिसर्चर का अपना एक आर्ट होता है. रिसर्च इज दस एन ओरिजिनल कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन टू द एक्साइटिंग स्ट्रोक ऑफ नॉलेज making for its advancement. It is the pursuit of truth with the help of study, observation, comparison and experiments. Observation, comparison and experiments all are process include in research work. Through objective and systematic methods, the search for knowledge through objective and systematic method of finding solution to a problem is research. The systematic approach concerning generalization and the formulation of a theory is also research. As such, the term research refers to the systematic method consisting of initiating the problem, formulating a hypothesis, collecting the facts or data, analyzing the facts and reaching certain conclusion either in the form of solutions towards the concerned problem or in certain generalization for some theoretical formulations. The purpose of research is to discover answer to questions through the application of scientific procedures. The main aim of research is to find out the truth which is hidden and which has not been discovered as yet. Through each research study has its own specific purpose. We mention some general objectives of research below. To gain familiarity with a phenomena or to achieve new insights into it. Study with this object in view are termed as exploratory or formulation research studies. To priority accurately the characteristics of a particular individual situation or a group. Studies with this object in view are known as descriptive research studies. To determine the frequency with which something occurs or with which it is associated with something else, study with this object in view are known as diagnostic research studies. To test hypothesis, justification to hypothesis through to data collection, finding overall. To test a hypothesis of a causal relationship between variables. There are many variables in research studies. 2 variables, 3 variables, Such studies are known as hypothesis testing research studies. Actually, research work or testing, hypothesis testing, that are called research studies. So, educational research use in various methodology and sort out their research studies. The session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University and also say, hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.